There is a myriad of conflicting ideas about effectiveness of affirmations. Some swear by them and some call them a bunch of hocus pocus. Today I'm going to explain how both perspectives can be true. Why do we use affirmations in the first place? We use affirmations as a tool to intentionally change or shape our mindset, especially when we have specific goals in life. By consistently repeating positive affirmations that are aligned with our goals, we want to cultivate a mindset that supports our intentions, help us overcome challenges on the way, and stay focused on our goals. But in order for our affirmations to be effective, we need to know how our mind works. If we don't, we'll conclude that affirmations are useless. How our mind actually works. We have our conscious mind, that is the part we are aware of right now. It thinks, it analyzes, and it makes decisions. If we imagine our mind as an iceberg, our conscious mind would be like the tip of the iceberg. The subconscious mind is the stronger, hidden part below the surface that stores beliefs, memories, and habits. From around the age of 5 or 6, when our patterns of behaviors, thoughts, and emotions are shaped, our subconscious mind kind of works automatically. That means that we do a lot of things without our conscious mind being actively involved. A good example would be riding a bike. When we ride a bike, after we have learned how to ride a bike, our conscious mind is not involved in riding a bike anymore. Our conscious mind is thinking a lot of other things, but we are still riding a bike. So that shows how riding a bike as a skill has been stored in our subconscious mind and is being controlled by that part of the mind, not our conscious part of the mind. For the most part, the subconscious mind influences our thoughts or actions without us even realizing it. Many psychologists and neuroscientists agree that a significant portion of our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors are influenced by the subconscious mind. Some even estimate that 95% of our thoughts and emotions happen at the subconscious level. When we work with our affirmations, we are working with our conscious mind, while our subconscious mind is working independently and often canceling out our affirmations because of the contradictory beliefs that we have in regard to that topic that we are saying affirmations about. These contradictory beliefs are stored in our subconscious mind and they are being affirmed every day, every moment. In order for our affirmations to be effective, we need to bridge this gap between our conscious mind and subconscious mind without involving our subconscious mind. Saying affirmation would be like upgrading a house that doesn't have a solid foundation. To involve our subconscious mind, we need to know the language of our subconscious mind, which is emotions. So, if we create some emotions in regard to affirmations that we are saying, we get our subconscious mind involved and we get it to work with our conscious mind and create what we want in regard to the topic we are working on. So, using affirmation is not just about mechanically repeating positive phrases. Instead, it's about evoking genuine emotions that align with the affirmations. For example, if our affirmation is about having a romantic relationship, we need to actively generate and feel emotions such as love, intimacy, and joy as we repeat the affirmations. The idea is that emotions carry a powerful charge and can influence the subconscious mind. When positive emotions are combined with the affirmation, it creates a stronger connection between our conscious intentions and our subconscious beliefs. This emotional harmony can help us overcome any underlying doubts or negative beliefs that might be present in the subconscious and are holding us back. Here are some easy ways to do that. Engage your body. Put your hand on your heart while saying your affirmations. This helps brings out the positive feelings connected to what you are saying. It's like adding an emotional touch to your words. This simple action creates a link between your mind and body, making your affirmations more powerful. This way, your positive affirmations get stronger and reach both your conscious and subconscious mind. Use affirmations in action. Whenever you find yourself in situations connected to what your affirmations are about, pause and repeat your affirmations right then and there. Let the positive emotions linked to your affirmations replace your old beliefs and emotions about that topic. This helps you actively apply your affirmations to real life situations and makes them more effective in changing your mindset. Personalize your affirmations. Make affirmations personal to your experience and goals. Be specific about what you want. Specific affirmations provide clear guidance to your subconscious mind. This links your affirmations to your emotions, making it more powerful and having a greater impact on your subconscious mind. Create a positive affirmation routine. Set aside a specific time each day for your affirmation practice that creates a routine that signals to your mind that it is time to focus on positive thoughts. You can also pair your affirmations with activities you find enjoyable, such as listening to music or taking a short walk. I think every method and practice loses its meaning and effectiveness when we don't know how it works. So these days, instead of constantly looking for new methods, I just try to dive deep into the methods that I already know, and these methods have been around for centuries. This way, I get the best out of them and I improve faster. If you are passionate about personal growth and healing, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.